All right, guys, units of measurement. So far, we've learned how to measure number lines and rulers. We've learned how to measure graduated cylinders and beakers and flasks and test tubes. So now let's actually cover what our units of measurement are going to be. So here they are. You can pause this, write it down, but it's pretty simple, straightforward. Mass, we always do kilograms or grams. Temperature is either in Kelvin or Celsius. You may not be familiar with Kelvin. You will be by the end of the year. Volume is in liters or milliliters. Amounts are in what's called the mole. You'll get in those just before Christmas. Wavelengths is meters or nanometers. That's unit 5. Frequency is going to be in hertz or inverse seconds. That's second minus 1. That's unit 5 as well. And then energy, also unit 5, is in joules. So be familiar with those. You will use them a lot. You'll be expected to name or put your unit with whatever you're doing with. We don't ever use naked numbers, as the saying goes. So here's your big chart. This is the big one on the right side of that last slide, but this is it. This is from giga all the way down to nano. You can pause it, write down the right side if you want, but if we start with the top, let's just say that we're in liters. Okay, let's just say that x equals liters. So if I say I have one gigaliter equals 1 billion liters. That's what those x's stand for. So 1 decaliter equals 10 liters. That's how it goes. Do you need to memorize all of this? Just the ones that are highlighted for you on your notes. So you've got kilo. You will use kilo a lot. There are thousands in kilos. Then you have decis. Decis are tenths. Centis is hundredths. Millis are thousandths. And nanos are billionths. Those are the big ones that you'll see a lot. So we don't use micro a lot. Hecto, deco, giga, mega. We don't really use those a heck of a lot. So, but the kilos and the millis, nanos, you'll use those a lot. So make sure you know how to do those conversions, because soon we'll be doing dimensional analysis, and you got to know how many zeros you're going to need to put into your calculator. All right, so feel free to use your chart with these practice problems. 1/100th of a gram is going to be, I don't know what that is. 1/100th of a gram, so we're going to have gram out here somewhere. And 1/100th is a centi, so there you go. Centigrams. So 1/100th is centi. 1/1000th is a nano. Liter is L, so it's going to be in L, nanoliters. 1/10th is deci, and a meter is M, so it's a decimeter. And then 1,000 grams is kilo, grams is G, so kilograms is kg.